Hey guys, it's NCD Brightscalo here, and in this video I will be showing you how to quickly and easily follow your friends on leadchess.org. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is to know your friend's leadchess.org username. Once you know this information, hover your mouse in the upper right hand corner of your screen over this little magnifying glass, which is the search bar. Click on that and enter your friend's username. So we are going to be using a bot account which I created a couple months ago, and you'll notice that if you hover your mouse over the username right here and go down to this little pop-out box, you will see a thumbs up button that says follow. So you can click on it there and then follow your friend, or there is a second way which takes a couple more steps, but it might be what you're looking for. So if you're looking for the second option of how to follow a friend, again, type in their username, click on their name instead of going to the follow pop-out box, and this will send you to their profile page. From here, what you have to do is go over to the right-hand side of your screen, and you'll see there is a thumbs up button. Now again, I'm already following this account, but if I were to unfollow it, this is what you would see. You would just see a thumbs up button. Go ahead and click on that, and that will immediately follow this user. Now, if at any time you'd like to unfollow a certain user on leadchess.org, just go back to their profile page and click on this unfollow button, and then you will no longer be following them. So next, I will be showing you how to see all of the users that you are currently following and also the users that are following you on leadchess.org. So the first step is to go ahead and click on your username in the upper right hand corner of your screen. Go down to Profile, select that, and then go over to the little tab above your rating chart that says Followers, and click on that. This now will show you all of your followers, all of the different users that are currently following your leadchess.org account. If you would like to see all of the users that you are following, go over right next to where it says Followers, and click on the blue text which is directly next to it. This will open up a page that shows you all of the users that you are currently following. And on any of these users, you can hover your mouse over their username, click on that, and head on over to their profile page. If you would like to challenge them, there is a challenge button. You can send them a message, and also in this page you can quickly unfollow all of these different people if you would like to. So if you have a friend but you can't remember what their username is, head on over to the following page under your profile and click on any of these thumbs up buttons to unfollow that user. If you found this video to be helpful and or useful, please leave a thumbs up on the video and consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more how-to videos for both leadchess.org and chess.com in the very near future. I am also really excited to tell you guys that I have recently published my very first book. It is available on Amazon.com for order right now, and it is titled 101 Chess Tactics from Amateur Games. This chess book has 101 chess puzzles that I have handpicked from amateur games, meaning any game with the players under 2,000 rating. So if you would like to improve your rating and get better at chess the fastest way possible, go ahead and head on over to Amazon.com and order the ebook today. Thank you so much for watching the video, everybody. I will catch you guys in the next one, so in the meantime, stay healthy and God bless.